Okay guys, today we're here with the Tesla Model 3, so now let's check out some of the cool features. Let's go. Guys, so I just washed my Tesla, so now let's check it out. There she is. Look at her. Dang, what a beaut. Okay, so this is a really cool Tesla feature. So the other day, obviously we all know you open this, it opens on the thing, and then it opens here. So if this is broke for some reason, there's this little handle right here. You see this right here? You pull it up, and it manually opens it, just like that. And I didn't know that until the other day. Okay guys, so I just plugged my car in, and it's at 40%. It said in 3 hours and 35 minutes, my car will be charged. As in a Tesla Model 3, you could see it's charging right back there, just like that. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions about my Tesla or you want to see anything, just let me know. Another really cool Tesla feature is you could see cars and the line. So look, you can see this car is ahead of the line, and then I just zoom out, and this is behind me. This is how far the car is behind me, and I can see this is the left lane only, and this is straight and right. And then when I'm closer to the lights, like see right there, it says it's red. You see that? You see that, right? Another cool Tesla feature I literally just found out, I just messed around with it. So if I put down the window, so the top left, it'll say it on the screen. So look, I'll stop at middle, and then it stops the middle. I'll go to the back. That's sick. Okay, so apparently all Teslas have party mode, so let's try it out. All right, plug it in, and hit this button 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it worked!